Imagine you're a homeowner in Laguna Beach. Suddenly, there's a leak. Panic sets in immediately. Many rush to call the first plumber they find. Did you know choosing the wrong plumber can cost you 2 to 3 times more? That's right. Mistakes or commission-driven pricing can explode your bill. Picture a novice plumber fumbling under your sink, wasting time, causing more damage. Now contrast that with a true Laguna Beach professional arriving calmly in a clean van. With specialized tools like camera inspections, they pinpoint the issue quickly and fix it right the first time. Licensed and insured with over 50 years of local expertise, they save you money and stress. The result? Your home's plumbing flows perfectly again, and your wallet breathes a sigh of relief. Remember, in Laguna Beach, older homes come with unique plumbing challenges. Investing in the right expert isn't just smart, it's necessary. Next time water problems hit, choose wisely and keep your home safe. Contact Laguna's trusted pros for peace of mind.